Good morning, Off the Gridders. Brian here with another episode of Off the Grid, daily motivational and technical training for off the grid living. Welcome. Today I'm going to talk about chainsaw usage. As an off the gridder, one of your most important and valuable tools is your chainsaw. Now, you off the gridders are becoming experts at your chainsaw usage every day. This lecture is more of a primer for those getting started on the journey. Chainsaw basics. One, always wear personal safety equipment. You need to wear goggles at all times. You need to wear ear protections. The saws are loud. Good sturdy boots, long pants, a long sleeve shirt, and gloves. Maybe even some chaps, right, over your pants, right? At a minimum for your safety equipment, right? Also, before you get started, create a safe environment. Look around. Is there anything that may fall on you? Evaluate everything around you. What might you step on? What might you trip on? What might, particularly if you're, getting ready to cut down a tree, where is it going to fall? Is anything going to be damaged? What direction is the wind blowing? A lot of considerations creating a safe environment. Now, using the chainsaw, be very careful before you begin, right? Make sure it's well maintained. Your chainsaw came with maintenance instructions. Make sure to follow them, right? To start the chainsaw, you can start it on the ground as a common way, or between your knees with the saw blade extended out, right? On the ground is a good way to get started, right? Common sense when handling the saw, right? Maintain good footing. Watch for tripping hazards and keep good balance. Don't overreach, right? Don't get your body into some strange position. One issue with chainsaws is the kickback. It's caused when the energy of the chainsaw comes back at you because, well, it gets caught. The most common cause of a kickback is when the chainsaw operator tries to make an upward cut with the tip edge of that blade, right? Upward. So never do that. Never use the upward edge unless you're using the flat edge of it, not out at the tip of the blade where it starts to turn, right? You can use downward motion there at the tip, but never an upward motion at the tip, and that will help prevent some of the kickbacks, right? And that's about it we have for you today. I mean, using a chainsaw is dangerous, but it's absolutely necessary for off the gridders. We recommend starting with a smaller chainsaw as you pick up skills, right? Maybe a smaller, less expensive chainsaw. Learn about chainsaws, and then make an investment in one that's the perfect size for your off-the-grid dwelling. Thanks so much for joining us today at Off the Grid. Come back and join us at Off Grid for daily motivational and technical trainings. Once again, this is Brian with Online Land Sales. Go out there and kick some butt at your off-the-grid location or improve your off-the-grid skills or both. Thanks for joining us.